you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Spring's VineOh. Do you want to know what's in my box and what wines I'm going to be sipping on? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Spring's VineOh box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, VineOh, for sending me your amazing wine and lifestyle box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. This box is large and in charge. I can never hide it. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be inside of here. Now they do have this new promotion they've been doing for just a little bit, that if you do sign up and you use my code, you get a third bottle of wine for free as long as you have that subscription active. So I will link everything all down below. So that's why it's in this little bit bigger box, because I have 3 bottles of wine in here, and you could too if you use my code. So let's see which wines are going to be in here and what the lifestyle items are going to be for this season. They always just have such a really neat box, and I just love the little mixture that you get. So let's see. So when you first open up the box, right on the top, this is going to be the box that has your goods in it. So you just remove that. We'll set that aside for a second. And then down inside of here is going to be the wine. So, there's something inside of here. So we'll see what that is. But this is how they store the bottles of wine. So if you have the 3, this is how it would look. But if you just get the regular 2 that the box normally comes with, then it would look like that, and you'd have a more shallower box because you don't have this extra layer inside. And then they do wrap them like this. I've never ever had anything broken or anything the way that they package it. Ooh, so let's see what we have. Now with VineOh, you can actually choose which wines you would like. If you want them both to be red, if you want them both to be white, if you want a mixture of red and white, or if you want the sweet. So you get to choose which wines that you would prefer, so they know which ones to send you when they curate your box for that season. So let's get this other one out. Ooh, this one's a good one too. Okay, so for my 3 bottles of wine, the first one is this. It's the New Crush. This is the California Pinot Grillo. This one is a Night Vine California Cabernet. Ooh, that one looks like it's going to be really good. And then this is the Mad Love Rose California. So here are the 3 different wines, and I'm really excited that they're all different. You know, they're all different types of wine. So that is awesome. I have 3 bottles. I think, I don't know if I want to try this one first or this one first, but one of the 2 is getting opened as soon as I'm done filming. Now there's also something down inside of here. So let's see what this was. So it's in a box. Ooh, that is really, really pretty. It says Celebrate, and it's like an ombre. It has like the red to like a lighter red, almost like a pinkish to clear. And it says Celebrate. Now, sometimes when you do use my code, not only do you get that 3rd bottle of wine for free, as long as you have it active, but your very first box, you get a little extra gift. So I'm assuming this is the extra gift, and they sent this so I can show you guys that you can get this really, really pretty stemless wine glass. That's amazing. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and see what is going to be in the goods for this seasonal box. And everything is always right down inside of here. And these boxes are constructed very well if you wanted to save them for storage or anything like that. And a sneak peek, that's what it looks like. Normally you get some type of like a treat item and a jewelry item, and then just some amazing lifestyle items in there just to treat yourself. So I really do enjoy that. Here is the little pouch that has all of the different product information in here, and there is one card that goes over every single thing and gives you your total value. This says the total value is $139 plus. That plus is based on how many bottles of wine you receive, because this is going off of just getting 2. So if you use my code and you get that 3rd bottle, you already need to add money to it, and Your first box would have more because of the glass as well. So your very first box would be a whole lot more than the $139. That's why the little plus sign is right there. But if you want to know your total values and what everything is, on here shows all the pricing. And here it goes over each individual item, but it doesn't go over the pricing on the card, just gives you more information about that product. So let's go on the first thing that I'm seeing, and oh my goodness, it's my favorite color. We have a wet brush, you guys. We can always use a new brush, and this is a really good brand, and I like using this brand. I have one of these in my vanity area, and it kind of helps not break up my hair doesn't break as much when I'm brushing with this brush. So I'm excited to get another one. Let's get this opened. This is $15. It's the Wet Brush Pro Detangler. So this is what it looks like out of the package, but it's my favorite color. I'm super, super excited. Even on these little balls right here are all teal. I'm super, super excited to get this brush. It's the simple things. The Wet Brush. Famous detangler changed the hairbrush game and transformed what can be a painful and time-consuming task into an effortless, fun, and colorful part of your day. Hair is most fragile when wet, and this detangler brush is the perfect tool to gently loosen knots without pulling or breaking your hair. Oh, wow. Assorted floral designs, and I'm so glad that this was my color that came in my box because I love this color. You can visit beautybrands.com for more varieties and designs, and you can use code EC17681 for 20% off the wet brush. Online expires 8/1/21. So if you like to purchase a wet brush, you can go to beautybrands.com and you can use EC17681 for 20% off of the wet brushes. That's awesome. I love that. So item number one, already I'm loving. Wine, brush, I'm already good. The next thing we have in here is a big old thing of cuticle oil. It says milk and honey, 75 milliliter, which is a 2.5 fluid ounce. And this is revitalizing cuticle oil. This right here is valued for $18. It says it's a unique natural complex of rich oils that provides moisture, protects and nourishes dry, brittle, cracked cuticles, nails, and skin. Its lightweight and deep penetrating formula is created from high quality natural cold pressed oils and vitamins to provide intense hydration that replenishes and strengthens the cuticles and nails. Oh yes. And this one right here, you can go visit shopcuccio.com and use promo code VineOh25, VineOh 25, and get 25% off your order. Expires 2/1/22. So you have like almost a whole year to use that coupon if you would like to check out this particular site. And there's that. And it is a light cuticle oil, but that is a huge thing. That's a big bottle of cuticle oil that'll last you a long time. So there's that guy. And again, that's valued for $18. Okay, so now we have is the jewelry item for this month. It says Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor. This is stud earrings valued for $24. These stud earrings from Zaxi are a perfect addition to your jewelry collection. Their simplicity makes them a classic to wear whether you're having a casual day or dress up for the night out on the town. Oh, pretty. Brass metal finish with a grade A cubic zirconia stone. You can visit zaxie.com and use promo code VINE20, VINE20, for 20% off one item. Expires 8/1/21. So there's that. And you guys know my ears are super, super sensitive. And with it just being like a regular metal, my ears will probably just get infected. So I'm going to go ahead and just save these. I'm not going to touch the post or anything like that, but I will put them back in the plastic bag and I will save them for one of you guys to enjoy. But those are really, really pretty. And they're nice big size. So they would look really nice. Just my ears are way too sensitive. So I can't. So I will save for when you guys. Sharing is caring. I love to share and save for you guys as well. So there's that. Again, these are valued for $24. All right, so now is our treat for the box. This says Legally Addictive, the OG cookies made from crackers Toffee plus chocolate plus sea salt. What? Cookies made from crackers? What in the world? This is valued for $4. We're gonna have to try these. We're gonna have to. We're gonna have to see what in the world this is all about in here. So these say part cracker, all cookie. These delicious treats from Legally Addictive Food are made with cracker, salted toffee, topped with chocolate and sprinkled with sea salt. Oh, yum. That sounds like yum. Salty, sweet, crunchy, and oh so scrumptious. Go ahead, indulge yourself. You deserve it. These you can visit Legally Addictive Foods with an S at the end.com and use promo code VineOh, VineOh, for 10% off your order. Expires 8/1/21. So let's see this cookie cracker, crazy cracker. So the bottom has chocolate. Let me hold it this other way. The top looks like it straight has a cracker on top. It smells amazing. Ooh. How many are in here? Do I have to share? It's such a light, airy crisp to the cookie cracker. It's crazy. Those are really, really good. You taste the chocolate, but it's not too chocolatey. You get the sea salty, so you get that saltiness with the sweetness. Oh, that is a really good mixture in my mouth. And I've never seen or heard of these before. And that's another thing, especially with the treat items. It's always something that I've never seen or heard of, and they're always just so good. It's like, I just wish there was a little more in there. Those are amazing. Okay, you guys, and that is valued again at $4 for that bag. So then the last item is down in here. What are you? Lady Flask. Is that a flask? It says Lady Flask, ASOBU is the brand. And it says lifetime warranty, vacuum insulated 8 ounces. Oh, this right here is valued for $30 and it would have came in a variety of colors. You know, I'm not too hip on pinky, but it's like a pretty mauve-ish color pink. So it would have came in a variety of different colors and designs. And let me see what this one says. Let me find this card. So this says Skinny Mini Water Bottle, Lady Flask. Skinny Mini, otherwise known as the Lady Flask, is a stainless steel bottle with a sleek looking shape to easily fit into your purse or pocket. Its copper, dual insulated, and double walled technology holds hours of cold or hot. The stainless steel construction and easy grip carry strap is perfect for your drink of choice for an elegant and dainty look. Oh, cool. Stainless steel, 8 fluid ounces. It says to visit asobubottle.com and use promo code 20OFF for 20% off one item. Expires 8/1/21. So let's see here. So it has this little, so it being a flask, that's actually kind of like a good idea if you wanted to keep like alcohol in there or something. Because being 8 ounces and it being so little, I know I wouldn't really want to use this for like water or anything like that, because I like to drink me some cold water or cold, beverages. And that's just a little too thin, but that would be really cool to have as a lady flask. I like that idea. And it's double walled, so to keep it nice and hot or cold, whatever your preference of beverage would be, that you can use inside of that. And these are valued for $30. So that is everything that came in this seasonal spring box, you guys. This is the Oh Happy Day box. Going over a real quick recap, we have the Lady Flask insulated beverage drink holder. You have this cookie that's made out of a cracker that tastes amazing. We have a large and in charge cuticle oil. We have a wet brush, which I'm actually really excited about. You have a pair of stud earrings, and you have the 2 bottles of wine, or 3 if you were to sign up using a code. And if you do sign up your very first box, you can get this really pretty stemless wine glass as well. Woo, that has a whole lot of stuff in that box, you guys. So if you want to know a little bit more information about VineOh, I will let you know right about now. Again, you can use my code SheCrafty. That'll get you the 1 free glass in your very first box and that extra bottle, that third bottle of wine in every single box as long as you keep your subscription active. It's only $59.99 per box, and you get always $120 or higher in value in every single box. And again, if you get that third bottle, it's always going to be way over because that's add another $25 just to that. You get to pick from the reds, the whites, the mixture, or sweet. You can pay quarterly or you can pay annually. If you like to save some money, you can do a whole annual subscription. And then you can sit back, relax, and just wait for it to be delivered 4 times a year to the comfort of your own home. And you get some amazing goodies and 2 to 3 bottles of wine to enjoy. If you're not a huge wine drinker, you can save them for when you have a friend or a family member over, or you can use the wines to gift to friends or family. That's an idea as well. So for this box, you always get the 2 to 3 bottles. You have 5 to 6 full-size products of fun, rejuvenating, and delicious surprises. An incredible value of over $120 in each box. And again, it's quarterly, and you get to treat yourself or somebody else if you want to do a gift subscription or gift it to somebody as well. So that is everything that I have for this seasonal box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that came in this box? What do you think of VineOh? Let me know. All the positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.